right, guys, hang on tight, okay? We're gonna get moving, and we're good to go, Matt. Thank you.
We're taking the safari ride. We're gonna be able to see the animals.
All right, keep holding on, and we're good. All right, to the left of the truck here, this is Jody, the black rhino. Now, we're not going to stop here because we want her to eat in peace. But Jody, as a black rhino, is a member of a solitary species. Black rhinos typically only hang out by themselves. They are very territorial. Now, white rhinos, on the other hand, such as the ones right in front of us, white rhinos are social. They prefer to live in groups. And we're going to see them just a little bit closer. Hang on tight. We're good, Matt. All right, so again, these are white rhinos. Now, you might notice white rhinos are a lot bigger than black rhinos. For example, our black rhino that we just passed back there eating our food is Jody. Jody is 2,000 pounds. Our heaviest white rhino, her name is Lucy, and that's actually her second from the right, in the middle there. She is 4,500 pounds. Those ostriches you see to the right are Maasai ostriches, also known as redneck ostriches. Now, those are two females. The males have black and white feathers and long red necks. So if you ever see a cartoon ostrich with black and white feathers, it's a male. See how they just cleaned up their feathers, kind of spreading their wings out a little bit because that rhino decided to walk between them? They're just kind of displaying dominance. They want to make themselves appear larger, more intimidating. Now, these antelope up on the hill in front of us are called water buck. Now, where do you think water buck like to hang out? Water, yeah, that's right. So, the water buck's main defense mechanism if they sense danger or if they are stressed, they're going to run into the closest body of water and swim away from whatever it is they're trying to get away from. Now, the only problem with that is, well, what's in the water in Africa? Rocks, yeah, that's right. So, they're going to run away from a lion right into the mouth of a crocodile. That's what I call fast food. All right, folks, hold on tight, okay? All right, Matt, we're good. Now, these water buck here are all female. Again, those two ostriches are female. Now, the rhinos, we have 4 females and 1 male. And that is actually our male white rhino on top of the hill there, right behind the tree. This antelope to the right, not very pretty looking, that is called a wildebeest. Y'all probably recognize the wildebeest, right? Have y'all ever heard of the Great Migration?
Yes.
Something you've probably seen on Animal Planet or National Geographic, but what that is specifically is a massive migration instigated by the wildebeest. You see, wildebeest have a unique ability to smell phosphorus. Phosphorus is one of the chemicals given off by new plant growth. And so during the dry season, kind of mid-March down in Africa, as the rains kind of stop becoming frequent, they can smell phosphorus and they know where the rain is beginning to fall elsewhere. So they're going to move in that direction. And as they move in that direction, they're followed by thousands of zebra, antelope, gazelle. And there are about 2 million wildebeest that will partake in this. It's such a large migration, you can see the dust they pick up from outer space. Very incredible. All right, folks, hold on tight. We're good, Matt. Thank you. Now, the zebra you're going to see out here in the middle of the field there, those are called common zebra or Grant's zebra. There are 3 different species of zebra in the world. We have 2 here at the park. The Grant's right there. Pretty much what you would think of if you're told to imagine a zebra. They have very thick, dark stripes that run through the middle of their bodies. They're also the smaller of the species. The other species we have here is the Brevy. Now, Brevy zebras are a lot bigger, and their stripes are a lot thinner. They kind of look like walking barcodes. And I'll point them out to when we get over to our giraffes, because that's where they like to hang out. All right, to the left of the truck, in the middle of this field over here, these are called sable antelope. Now, sable antelopes are not necessarily aggressive, but they're very defensive. Sables have been given the nickname of lion killer by the locals down in Africa. And if a lion were to jump on one of their backs, all the sables are going to have to do is whip their head back with this long curved horns, and it's not even a fair fight. There have been sable antelopes found in Africa with lion skulls still attached to the back of their horn. Very impressive animals. Now, sable antelopes are also one of those rare species of antelope in which both males and females have horns. Like the wildebeest right here to the right, those are all female as well. And gazelle species. Gazelles are a type of antelope. They're smaller, typically have some sort of race stripe pattern on their side, and both males and females have horns. Not necessarily a sexually dimorphic species, both males and females do look a lot alike.
Okay, I'm here in Busch Garden, the safari ride.
Like
Like always, guys, if you need anything, just give me a call. Have a nice Sabbath.
And we'll get a closer look in just a second. Hold on tight, okay? We're good, Matt. Now, y'all are probably familiar with the expression deer in headlights. The expression should be kudu in headlights. Kudu's main defense mechanism is to hold as still as possible. You might notice we have a couple behind the fence there, a few in front of the fence. That fence is not for